Hi there. So I'm here speaking with
Scott from Kite AI.
Kite AI. Could you tell me in a very easy to understand manner what Kite AI is doing?
Yes. So Kite AI is building AI Solana. Think about this way. There is not a lot of AI activity. For example, AI inference, AI training, AI building. Currently, there is not a blockchain to actually capture this activity and give rewards to it fairly and openly. So that's why we are building purpose-built layer 1 for AI. So that's a blockchain for AI. That's what we built.
Okay, so it's a blockchain only for AI. My next question is that why would you build a blockchain only for AI when there's like other options which is fast and scalable like Solana? Why do we have a separate blockchain only for AI?
That's a really good question. I got this question all the time. First is that we're going to focus on AI asset. AI asset is sharing very different characteristics like a Solana or other general purpose chain. And also AI life cycle is very different as well. Think about AI inference. Like traditional blockchain is built for transaction. You're looking at a few seconds latency. Even if the fastest blockchain, you're probably looking at 400 milliseconds of finality, to transaction to finalize. For Ethereum, it's actually going to take more than 20 seconds to finalize the transaction. Second is the transaction fee is actually pretty expensive. It usually takes from anywhere between few cents to few dollars, even more to go through a transaction. But when you come to AI inference, you're looking at 100 milliseconds latency or less than 0.001 cents. That's actually 1,000 times cheaper than the current transaction. So that's why all the existing blockchain are not built for AI lifecycle, AI use case. This is the demand side. On the supply side, take Ethereum as example. Currently, Ethereum is distributing $4 billion to a million validator in this case. So basically, they're doing repeatable the same thing to verify what's the transaction, who transfer how much money to who in this case. They're not adding extra value. We want to redirect 90% of the revenue. Instead of give to validator, a million validator doing the exactly same thing, we want to redirect 90% of the revenue to the AI contributor. In this case, that's why we call it proof of AI, proof of attributed intelligence to reward AI contributor fairly, transparently, and openly.
Okay. All right, so I heard it's more like a decentralized side of things. I wonder if you're working with any centralized AI systems or is only for decentralized projects?
That's a good question. Blockchain is not built for very performant execution because the reason is that all the blockchain is executing exactly the same thing, it's not performant. Personally, I come from a very infra background. I spent 15 years building data and AI foundational infrastructure at Uber and Salesforce. I grew my team at Uber from myself to 200 full-time employees, built the first internal scaled-out AI at Uber. So that's why the whole product is actually two parts. The blockchain part of it is AI infra. AI infra is actually trying to calculate how much reward give to each AI contributor and the infra part for the AI usage. Yeah.
All right. So if any developers or investors want to know more about Kite AI, where can they do that?
Yeah. So they can either contact us on Twitter, follow us on Twitter, or on contact. We have a Discord channel, or they can follow me on on Twitter as well, Scott Shi CS at Twitter, and then shoot us an email. We are looking for data subnet, we're looking for model subnet, agent subnet. We already have one of the top AI builder from near ecosystem called BT joining us last week. And we have actually 10 more plus the top builder subnet joining us in the coming months. Yeah, stay tuned.
All right, cool. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.